Sa ating last episode, napag-usapan natin ang tungkol sa letting God uproot what hinders at kung paano ang God's peace leads us gently into a deeper surrender. That peace is not just a soothing presence. It's a divine strategy. Pinapalambot tayo, making it possible for God to begin the hard work of uprooting the things that no longer belongs in our lives. Ngayon, I have to admit, maybe I missed the deeper root. There's something that blocks the peace na humahadlang sa uprooting from fully happening. Ito po ang hardened heart. Na-realize ko, without even noticing it, na I've allowed these hurts to form a spiritual callus over my heart. Dahil walang ibang mas malaking humahadlang sa ginagawa ng Diyos sa atin kundi ang pusong matigas na, pusong kinalyo na, a heart that has hardened.